Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today we're going to make chocolate avocado pudding.
Whole food, plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So let's jump right in. What I have here, I have actually 3 avocados cut in half, but you usually should just use 2 because these just happen to be pretty small avos, so I suggest using 2. Half a cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of cashews, 1 cup of medjool dates, and 1 cup of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add our almond milk to the blender with our dates. And we are using dates to sweeten because most of the time this pudding is made with agave. And dates are a whole food way of getting sugar with the fiber intact and all of its essential minerals and vitamins. So we're just going to blend this until you just see teeny little chunks of dates. Okay, that's good enough if you can see. Now we're going to put the rest of the ingredients, and we do that first because it's really hard once you put the avocados in to get the dates blended so they're really smooth. You don't really want to have any date chunks in it because then it wouldn't be like pudding. So this is going to be a super creamy, rich, delicious chocolate pudding. Full of nutrition, no fillers, none of that, unquestionable ingredients. If you look on the back of even vegan puddings, some of the ingredients are just like, what exactly is that? We're just gonna get it all together. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which is usually about 2 capfuls. And the cashews add another level of creaminess and richness to the flavor. Just gonna blend this until it is creamy and dreamy. Okay guys, here is the magic result. Look at that creaminess. It looks so delicious. I've got to scoop a little bit out right now. So this, using the avocados for the base, it's a really healthy fat. I mean, mind you, it is still fattening. You still have to watch your amount on how much you eat, but it's a healthy fat, full of nutrients, and it also has fiber. So it's just really great for you. And it tastes so delicious too. And if you want to add some even more nutrients, sprinkle a little chia seeds or some berries like raspberries or blueberries to the top. A little toasted coconut. Enjoy. So be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and get onto my website and check out some more of my delicious whole food plant-based recipes. And I'll see you next time.